Hi guys, this is Tina Jane. I am the brand ambassador for Pure Nails and welcome to the YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to show you how to do a set of nails in a creepy house graveyard design. I'm going to be using Beauty and Courage from the new Festival of Lights collection. And I'm also going to be using black and white. Okay, so first of all, we're going to put a base coat on all of the nails. So these tips have already been buffed and prepped and wiped. So we're just going to start applying the base coat. So all 5 nails have base coat. Now we're going to cure that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to apply Beauty from the new Festival of Lights collection on all 5 nails. This is such a gorgeous colour. So all 5 nails have been coated with Beauty and now we're going to cure it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And we're just going to do a second coat of Beauty on all 5 nails. So all 5 nails have just been done with the second coat of Beauty and we're going to cure it in the LED light for 30 seconds. Okay, so first of all, now we're going to do the moon. So we're going to use white and I'm going to do it on these 2 nails. So I'm kind of going to blend it in on both. I'm going to do it quite big. And because we want it to join on these 2, I'm just going to place that one next to it and mark it. So that's the moon just joined on 2 nails, and then at the bottom now we're going to do the base. So the ground we're going to use with black. We're not going to do that too much, just a little bit, because we need to add some detail on this as well. And we're going to cure that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. So now we're going to do the second coat on the moon using the white, just to fill the colour a bit more. Now when you do this yourself, you can do the moon as large or small as you like. And I've chosen Beauty for the background just because it's more of a pretty colour. And then we're just going to do another second coat for the base at the bottom using black. And then we're going to put this in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so starting from the thumb, I'm going to do a tree. Then on these two nails, we're going to be doing the house and then the graveyard for the other two. So starting with this one, I've got some black gel there. Gonna draw a tree, so that's the trunk, and we're going to do some large creepy branches. Zoom in so you can get a better look at that. Just going to add loads of little branches off that tree. I'm going to make the bottom bit thicker so it's leaning slightly. Okay, so that's the tree. And then on this side, now we're going to start doing part of the house. So if we just build it, we're going to make it a bit cockeyed, so I'm not going to do it straight. I'm going to do it just slightly cockeyed. So if we build the outline first, and then we can colour that in. Then we might add a few bats towards the moon so we can see them flying through. So up here we're just going to do a few bats. I'm just going to clean my brush a little bit, bear with me. We're just going to flash cure them for 10 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to continue house on this one and then do the gravestones on these two. So we're going to outline the house again. I'm going to make this a bit bigger on this one. Okay, so we've outlined that and now we're just going to colour that in. Okay, so as you can see, I've just extended the roof to the side so you actually know that that is a roof. And we're just going to flash cure that for 10 seconds before we move on to the gravestones. So on this one, we're just going to add a gravestone. We're going to probably do a cross. Fairly simple to do. And move to the side a little bit. We'll do one that's in the background, so a bit smaller. Then on this one I'm going to make it a bit bigger. I'm going to write RIP on it. Lovely, so we've got the tree, we've got the creepy house with a few bats, and we've got the gravestone. So I'm just going to cure that for 30 seconds in the lead lamp. Okay, so now we're going to add the windows in the house and we're going to write RIP on this gravestone. So I've just put a blob of courage and a blob of white. So to start off, we'll do this side. I'm going to put a small blob here. And we're going to flash cure that just for 10 seconds. So now we're just going to write some letters on here for RIP. If I I'll do the eye first, at least I know I'm in the middle. So we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, so to finish off, now we're going to add some very, very small white lines just to define the roof and the edge of the house, and just a few on the tree as well. So here we have it, it's finalised. Can you see all the white detailing? That's just to define the shape of what we've done there, and the ground, with it being all black, it just separates the ground to the house, the ground from the tree and from the gravestones. So we're just going to quickly cure that one for 30 seconds. And to finish off now, we're just going to apply a non-wipe top coat. Now for Halloween nails, sometimes matte coats look really good as well. So here we are, this is after the top coat has cured. Just trying to get my focus, there we go. So what I'm going to do, because I prefer the matte finish, I'm just going to buff over those, apply a matte coat, and I'll show you the finished results.